Hello engineers, in this exercise video we're doing exercise 06. Open Autodesk Inventor, start a new part by clicking on the drop down menu here and clicking on new part. Let that load, and for exercise 6 we're working with millimeters, so we're in the metric system. So we're going to double check in the tools tab here, document settings, click on the units, make sure your length here is set to millimeters, then click apply, close, click on the 3D model tab, click on start a 2D sketch, and then click on the XY plane. For this one we're going to use the line tool, so click on the line tool and click on the front there. Okay, so we should all be centered. And on the origin, go ahead and click one time. You're gonna work through each of these dimensions at the start. So line it up so that it's vertical. You should see that 90-degree angle there. And we're gonna type 30, enter. And zoom in a little bit. And then we're going to go horizontally 90 degrees by another 30. Then go down by 10, over by 10, up, and we're going to go by 10, and then over by 30, and then we're going to go down by 30. To the left now, we're going to go left by 10, enter, and we're going to go up 10, enter, and here's where we're going to stop. So press escape on the keyboard and then click on the line tool, and now from the origin we're going to go over 10, enter, and up 10, enter, and then press escape on the keyboard. Now that's going to look kind of wild and out of place. I'm going to just move some things. I'm just moving those dimensions because this section right here is going to get a little tricky. So click on the line tool again, and where this ends right here, click, and we're going to go in this direction by 15. Oops, 15, and press enter, and then come back to this triangle right here, or to this point, and click, and then repeat, but do the opposite on the side. So click over here, go in this direction by 15, and then close that, and then click on this point and this point to close the shape, and then click finish sketch. Click on the home on the home, click on the home on the view cube, and what we're going to do is we're going to extrude just that M looking shape. So click extrude, click just that shape, and it should be set to 10. Click OK, and we're almost done with exercise 6. Now we're going to give it a material. Go to File, Save As. This is EX06. Now you can use your custom template. So go back and open that. And it looks like my custom template has something on it. So let me just get rid of that. Yes. Click on base, and for the front view we'll leave that in the bottom left. Click on the top view, click on the isometric view, click on the side view, and then click OK. Double click on the isometric view, then you can click on shaded if you'd like it to be shaded. Click OK. And let's go ahead and start annotating. So click on annotate. Well, before we do that, go to tools, document settings, make sure your active standard is set to ANSI MM. Mine was. Annotate, dimension, and we're going to add a bunch of dimensions here. So we need our height dimension, so click here and here. And then we're going to need this dimension, the dimension between here and here. And okay, so right away, I'm going to tap escape. I want this to be up because I don't want to overlap those dimension lines. Click dimension, this is 30. And then let's do the bottom right here. This gap, click on the points. Press escape to move that 10 to the right side. Move this over a little bit because there's going to be a lot of dimensions right here. Click dimension, and we're going to click on this point and this point to get that 10. Okay. Tap escape. Let's move that the number 10 up. Click dimension. Click on this point and this point to get that dimension. And then right here we'll click there to get the depth dimension. And I believe that's all. Okay, now let's go ahead and I'm gonna move, tap to scale. I'm gonna move this up. Move this up. Really simple, straightforward part. Click on parts list. I want the model I just did. Click OK. I'm gonna put that right here. And for this one, you double click on the numbers again, or the letters I mean, and then find this menu right here, the column chooser. And what we can do is let's get rid of the description. Scroll down. Let's add material. This time let's add mass and volume. Click OK, click apply, click OK. Okay, your parts list is going to kind of look janky, just move it. So click and drag it. And if you want to adjust these, you can. The left side of the columns will let you resize it. The right side will, like this size right here, will resize the whole thing. There we go, that looks nicer. And then go to File, iProperties, Summary, give it the title, EX06, Subject Engineering, Author, that's you. And then Apply, Close, and all your information here should update. And then go to File, Save As. Make sure you're not saving it as your custom template. So that's EX06. PC. Let that save. Go ahead and print it. That's Control P. Make sure you're on the correct printer and make sure you click Best Fit. And then go to File, Export, PDF. Make sure to export that as a PDF and send me the PDF for credit. So again, you're always printing and you're always sending the PDF. The print allows me to actually make notes on your work so that you can make corrections and get a better grade. If you had any questions, let me know. If you want to see a different way to do this, then just ask me and I'll show you a different way. There's a lot of different ways we could have made this part. But good luck with exercise 6.